Just this past week, I saw a child, 7-year-old child, who is a secular. He came for an eye talk. It had an attack, affected the vision and the rest of the other things. And all that was filled in my heart was pain. Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something that is out of the norm. I actually want to make a plea. If those concerned will listen, I want to beg you, please, if you are don't marry somebody who is AS. In my small years of experience, I've seen a couple of sickle cell patients. I've seen a lot of very painful effects both on their vision and the impact on their life, and I want to encourage anyone who is fighting that battle. You're very strong, but then to persons who are yet to marry, resist that temptation. Just this past week, I saw a child, 7-year-old child, who is a secular, and he came for an eye talk. It had an attack not quite long, and then affected the vision and the rest of the other things. And I was just looking at this child, and all that was filled in my heart was pain. I was almost brought to tears, not because I didn't know what to help at the situation, but because I was wondering why the child would have to pass through what he was passing through. See, there's already a lot of troubles to face just coming to this life. There's already a lot of standby challenges, right? Don't add to a child's challenge, right? It's no matter what's propelling their AS, avoid anything that will make you marry another person who is AS. Of course, I know there are developments that could help address such situations. Even if you could afford it, do you have to make the child pass through just those procedures just because you want to have this done? This video is not particularly medically educative, but it's just to dissuade anybody who has that in mind. The effects on the children is usually devastating, from their body even down to the eye. If you don't know that it affects them, it can cause several things like sickle cell retinopathy and a lot of artery issues at the back of the eye. But you don't want your child, there's enough already, and you don't want your child to add that to the issues at hand. Okay, please, just don't do it.